welcome to Animals Finquita. In today's episode, my son is coming to visit the Finquita with his girlfriend and another friend. They want to meet the animals and have a good time, so stick around. The girls are back there. Here's Tata and Papi. Oh, look at that tree!
Oh no! We have a tree in our way.
You can do anything.
All right, now we're gonna take the ladder off, and I'll see you guys after a little while.
Are you okay? What happened?
Music. He's trying to put on the music.
Oh,
Do I have my wallet and keys and everything?
yeah, your keys.
Yeah, I got my stuff.
Oh, be careful, Bobby. They're cheese.
It's okay.
Balancing act. Careful. Oh.
They're heavy, huh?
You can eat my sleeve. That's good.
Bring it back. Oh, look who decided to join the party. Sebastian. Look who came to join. Come on up.
Hi, love. How are you? You want to come in? Come in. Come in. Good boy. Good boy. Here are my plants. This is a quick update on my plants. All my herbs are on top of it. They're going to stay indoors for the rest of the summer. And these are my tomato plants, guys. Look at my tomato plants. They look like palm trees. They're huge. Look at this one here. They're ready to go outside, but they have to wait 2 more weeks at least to go outside. My peppers are even growing flowers. I'm gonna get that off the pepper plants, but look at my peppers. Look at that green over there. That's so green. Yeah, fish fertilizer, guys. These are my other peppers, the bell peppers. They're really crowded and ready, but we have to wait. We're gonna have a freeze tonight, and they say snow next week on Wednesday, but after that it'll be fine. These are my butternut squash. I need to separate them, but again, the green is wonderful. This is just little flowers. These are flowers too. These are flowers. Look at that. The morning glories. The morning glories are going up. They tend to, yeah, with these tentacles, they grab everything they can. So for now, they gotta stay indoors. Those are my cucumbers. These are sunflowers and more cucumbers. And here I got more sunflowers. Beautiful. They're so funny. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Good girls. Yay. Good girls. Look, that's our good neighbor Travis. He helped us last year too with the tilling of the garden, and he's doing a great job. He knows what he does because he has a garden too. So that's great. Thank you, Travis. There are the goats, the chickens. I'm so excited for this season. All the old bedding and the old compost plus the good soil that I have, it's all mixed there. It's gonna be great.